Hey neighbor, spring is around the corner. Here are 3 things that you can do to prepare to enjoy your lawn. Now, the first thing you can do is something called pre-germinating your seeds. That's where you take your seeds and you mix them with some soil in a bucket or a wheelbarrow, allowing you to get a head start this spring and putting down those grass seeds. And then when you start to see some growth, just use your hands or a shovel and throw it on those areas in your lawn that are bare and have already been roughed up. Next, you want to use a rake to get up any areas of matted grass or areas of high thatch, and also go around your yard and clean it up, picking up any debris or sticks. These also can be used later on for a great fire with your family. And then finally, you want to prepare your equipment. This means changing the oil in your lawnmower, changing or replacing your air filter in your lawnmower, and also cleaning out the deck of your lawnmower from last year's grass clippings. So you'll notice that I do not sharpen my lawnmower blades yet. I'll typically do this after the first mow of the season, because during this first mow I'm usually running over sticks and debris as I clean up the yard from last fall. Sometimes I like to use something called a dry lube, which will protect your undercarriage of your lawnmower, making it less likely to have any buildup. Okay, now you're ready to go out there and enjoy your lawn. As always, thanks for watching.